creatively wrong.
Bravely. Braver? Braver.
Why won't this move? Could you please move layers?
Balls liars.
Move. What's wrong with you?
I don't know.
Can't move the layer.
Is it locked?
No.
No. No. No.
Hello.
Oh.
There we go. Speak to the world of the ancients. It's the land of the ancients. Planet of the ancients.
Planet of the Apes?
Planet of the ancients.
Oh.
You didn't know, now you know. Maybe.
Oh.
Bark. Neither was I. Could you just please just move?
The bird. It's a bird.
It's a bird.
It's Qual. Qual man. Qual man. Oh my god. What happened here?
This is the bird of the ancients.
Oh my god.
What?
Wow. That's quite lovely. The bird of the ancients.
It's the bird of the ancients.
So silly.
You don't respect the land of the ancients. Shit will happen.
Oh no, your battery's gonna die.
No, I have to respect the land of the ancients.
Oh no, he's got a bloodshot eye now. That's terrifying.
Much? Too much? Ooh.
Well,
Interesting.
I think I've reached the point of where I'm happy for now.
The point of no return. The point of no return.
Not sure what else to do.
Let's do this one. Make it a beautiful view.
Wow. Lovely.
Ah, cat.
Lovely.
Isn't it? Fine. How's that? Huh? Beautiful?
Lovely.
It's the bird of the ancients.
The bird of the ancients. You must not talk to the bird of the ancients like that.